Alrighty, the new recording. So all three of these devices are now recording. Oh, damn, I'm dark as hell. What the fuck? Damn. Mm, solid. Holy shit. Alright, I look like a bum. As usual, nothing crazy. I look like a mess over here. I'm not gonna lie. This episode is strictly dedicated to me practicing my switching and just playing with the equipment that I do have. See how familiar I can get with it. You're probably gonna hear my computer breathing a lot throughout this entire thing. So whoever ends up watching this, shout out to you. Um, see, let me go check the live stream. Make sure that's popping off real quickly. You still sharing my screen? Okay, no. Okay. I forgot you guys cannot see what I'm doing right now, so give me 1 second. Let me just make sure my channel's going live. My computer is breathing really fucking heavily right now. Eyeris the podcast live stream, yes sir. Okay, same wall, different clothing. Chiefs won the Super Bowl. Shout out to Patrick Mahomes and the Chiefs, baby. You know how we get down in this motherfucker. Today was nothing crazy. We damn near lost the game until that holding call. So it was kind of a tie game. We would have seen what would have happened potentially in OT, but we had to stop the Eagles from getting that motherfucking ball. Um, so we just took that opportunity and ran with it. I didn't like the way we won, but you know, it's the Super Bowl. Brady won with the tuck rule. Uh, yeah. So gonna be testing out how my switcher works. This is so extra. Like this setup right now is so extra, and I'm getting like minimal results from it. I'm just basically testing out, switching back and forth, similar to this, getting used to that flow. So this is not going to be for entertainment purposes. This is simply for me to see how it comes out on the live stream end and in the recording. See what it's worth. I want to do like reviews in the future and stuff. So I want to be able to like conduct a live stream by myself, kind of. So like host it and produce it at the same time while not having to do too much. And one way I can do that is by using this application that ATEM has, or even using OBS. But there's this little software control thing where you can see my hands up here. I'm not pressing a button. Look, the switcher's right here. And if I hit this little button, it's going to go right back to program 1, which is the big screen of me. And then if I hit camera 2 over here and then hit this little on button, you'll see me again. You could apply transitions through here. But this software is mainly for like when you have this device plus other devices, because I was gonna try to utilize it like OBS, but weirdly enough, you can't like use the output. You can't use the media player unless you have stills in there. You need this hyperdeck for like a lot of the stuff, and all this information right here kind of doesn't really help me. I mean, I haven't really used it, so I guess I'll never really know. But you could add transitions. I don't really know what a downstream key is. But yeah, a lot of this is like information I haven't really been able to play with yet, because I don't think I have like the tools to do that. There's this on air button. I want to press it, but I'm scared it's gonna fuck up my live stream. Let's see what else we got. Transition styles. I don't even know if these are gonna work or not because I can't really see it. So I guess let me go like this. You see how that comes out. You're gonna like see me all over the place. No, let's hit wipe. How do you even fucking? Hi. What the fuck? I have to hit auto and then 3. There's nothing on camera 3, so I'm back. Here's the software control. And then over here in the software control, you can control the speed of the slider, I think. Let me see. I just did it again. You just hit auto and then it transitions or something. Wait, why did it do that? And then on this app, you could hit preview. Let me go to. So now that I hit auto, anytime I transition back and forth, it's just gonna hit that transition for me. So I wonder if you can like create your own transition through like Premiere or something like that, and then import it on the software control. That would be pretty fucking sick though, Cause I wouldn't want to use these like boring ass transitions each time. Like I would want to like change the transition style to something that I created. So let me try this one. Um, hmm, that's not bad. I guess. Yeah, that's not bad. Let's see if I could change that speed. I'm gonna do 0.5. See if that works. 2. There we go. Nice and quick. Just quick little. And then if you could add like a transition sound every time you press that button, see now that would be pretty cool. Kind of like a TV show from Disney. Let's stay in the screen. Pop me up back there. I wish that little thing had a transition too. Or like if you could add some shadow to like your fucking. What does this do? Let's see what I can. Let's see what this shit can actually do. Fuck it. This is a test episode, right? So you can see me over here, but I need to see how it comes off. But you guys can see everything that I see. So you can see my OBS settings. Sorry, fuck it. What's this do? Nothing crazy. This is the cool thing about having no fucking viewers, that you can just toy with shit that like to get the hang of it. Okay, so that doesn't do anything. What does tide do? Nope, not seeing anything affected. Okay. What's bars? Technical difficulties. Back to cam 1. Back to cam 2. Put this back on. Am I in the screen? Am I not in the screen? Hold on. Go to cut auto. Why is that happening? What? What's going on here? Weird. Okay, go to 2. On. Alright. So if I press this little button right here, it blinks at me. Does it lock it in? Every time I go back to 2? Nope. See, I know there's a way to like program this thing to have like multiple functions. I just don't know how to fucking do it yet. But y'all get the hint. This thing's pretty cool. You could add some media boards and some media in there. So if I wanted like a logo, let me see if I could pop one up. And we don't ever fade away. We just keep on moving. See. I don't want the Time on Talk logo. That's so old, man. Let's see. I'm like giving away my whole database over here. Alright, I'm gonna use the Time on Talk logo. Fuck it. Go there. I can't believe I still have those. It's from 2019, bro. Let's see if I still have this guy. SP. Oh, move. Dot PNG. Nothing. Nothing. Whatever. Let's see what happens if I pull this guy up. I want to see you. So if I go back to switcher. What do I have to do? Is there a stills button on my screen, on my switcher? No. Still. Is it because it's still want to? So then like you could start to show off like that. Hit auto and then transition in like, hey guys, welcome to my TV show. Or go back to still. Choose a different transition. And boop. Hi guys. So if you're really cool, if you're really slick with it, you would go still. I want the one that goes down. I don't think they have that option. I don't know. You'd find a way to like cut into that, and then you could even change the speed of the transition from here. So that's pretty cool. Okay, that's awesome. Still. Okay. Let's see how ugly this long one looks. I mean, for a slow reveal, I guess that's not bad, right? Dun, 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 dun. What's mix? Not getting anything out of that. Straight dip. What the fuck? Go to 0.5. It's like an explosion, like a... like you're telling a story, you're like, and then that's when it all hit me. I'm black. Show ends. And then end credits. That shit low key went hard though. You can't say it didn't. What the fuck? Okay. Let's see if I could get Siri to like not Siri, ChatGPT to tell me a story. Alright, we're gonna see what this looks like. And then I'm gonna see if I could create some like producing shit. I don't know. Let me see what I can do. Just to have fun with it. I already had it tell me a story, right? So it's already familiar with the story. So let's just read this story. Once upon a time, there was a kid and an adventurous young woman named Sarah. Sarah lived in a small village. At the age of a great forest, she loved nothing more than explaining many mysteries and secrets that lay hidden within its lush trees and rolling hills. One day, Sarah was wandering within the forest. She stumbled upon a hidden clearing. In the center of the clearing stood a magnificent tree, unlike any she had ever seen before. Its trunk was as wide as a house, and its branches spread out in every direction, forming a magnificent canopy overhead. Curious, Sarah approached the tree and placed her hand upon its rough bark. Suddenly, she was enveloped in a warm and comforting light. She was enveloped in a warm and comforting light, just like that. Okay, I lost my place. And a soft voice filled her mind. The voice belonged to the tree spirit, who had taken notice of Sarah's kindness and adventurous spirit, and had noticed her too great. Okay, I give up this shit. So I can't read for shit, bro. Let's just fucking change this shit. Let me see how this is looking. I'm not the best with ChatGPT. Let me see. Tell. How about? Let's see. I want to learn something. How to use ATEM software control with ATEM Mini. Which is a software application that provides a visual interface for controlling the various functions of the ATEM Mini. To use the ATEM software control, you will need to do the following steps. Download and install the software control on your computer. You can download it from Blackmagic Design. Connect your ATEM Mini to your computer using USB cable. Launch the ATEM software control. Select the Mini as the device you want to control by clicking on Device menu and choosing Connect to ATEM Mini. The ATEM Mini control will now display the various functions and settings of your ATEM Mini, such as video outputs, inputs, and transitions, downstream keys, and more. What is a downstream key? We are literally learning how to use this device and its software through ChatGPT. That is 2020 for you. I could have done the same thing just using Google, but you have to dig around a lot more. Here, you just got this simple stuff. Okay. A downstream keyer is a type of keying effect used in video production to composite two or more video sources together. In the context of video production, a keyer is a device or software that is used to isolate a specific portion of a video signal and replace it with another video source. Because of the fact I haven't been down that avenue a lot, I don't understand what that means. In downstream keyer, the keyer is placed downstream from the main switcher, allowing it to perform more advanced keying effects such as chroma keying, luma keying, and shaped keying. Downstream keying downstream keyers are found in more advanced video production systems such as professional video switchers and used to create complex compositions for live events, broadcast televisions, and other professional video applications. They provide a wide range of control options such as the softness and transparency of the key, adding a border or edge effect, and controlling the background video source. Overall, downstream keyers are a powerful tool in the video production that allow professionals to create sophisticated and compelling visual effects. How can I use the downstream keyer with ATEM Mini? Let's see. Let's see if this thing could teach me how to use my switcher. Make sure I'm doing it right. Okay. I have two video sources. So I have me, and then I have my screen recording, kind of. So there's two video feeds going into the switcher right now. Two inputs. So go to the downstream keyers tab, select the downstream keyer you want to use by clicking on its corresponding button. Okay. Go to downstream keyer. Where is it again? There's an upstream key, downstream key. Media player. I wanted to go to camera 2. What are y'all seeing? I'm not seeing anything crazy. Is there a key? Key. Nope, key doesn't work. Weird. Okay, nothing there. Select the downstream keyer you want to use. Choose the video source you want to use as the key source. Okay, so I selected camera 2. Now I'm going to select camera 1. Okay, I'm not seeing anything about a downstream key though, other than this. Alright. Go to camera 1. On. Nope. It's weird. Okay. Oop, nope. Alright. Nope, that's not working. What's chroma? I don't have a foreground. It's luma. You got your transitions over here. Okay. Wonder if you could adjust those though. Mix. So I guess these are what? What's this? Let's see what this does. Holy shit. What the fuck am I? Oh, what the hell? The fuck did I do to my stream? I didn't even mean to do this. Okay, it's like I see myself everywhere. What did I do? What happens if I go back to 1? Okay, and I go to 2. Put that back on. I think I cleared everything. Alright, what was that about? Did I go to Luma? Is that what did that? Okay, so now the still is trying to play for some reason. It's weird. It's just appearing. So if I fade to black, nothing. Okay. Fade back. All right. So I'm gonna preview camera 2. Then I'm gonna cut. Then I'm gonna go auto. That doesn't work. So every time I go to camera 2 now, it shows me the still. Take myself out of chroma. Turn key off. Turn myself back into chroma. Fill it with camera 1. What? What? Wait, hold on. You can come in. Give me a second. Stream. I'm currently receiving gifts for my birthday. Holy shit! I'm about to do a whole. I'm about to do a whole review on these niggas now. Hold on, can you hand me the stuff over there too, bro? Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all what my nigga Warren got me for my birthday, y'all. Let me show y'all what my nigga Warren got me.
I didn't know you were live. It was so quiet in here.
Do you see my overkill right now?
Yeah.
I'm in heaven right now, dog. Bro, you say hi to the camera. Just put your hand in there or something. I don't know.
Hey.
Cool. All right. So now we gotta go off topic. All right. Yeah. Thank you, brother. Don't watch my shit, bro. Now we're gonna go off topic completely and go over what I got for my motherfucking birthday. So these are canvases of J. Cole's albums. We're gonna start from first to last. We are missing the Born Cinema album. Just giving you guys a heads up on that now. Alrighty. So first we got Sideline Story. Classic. Come on now. It even has the album length, which is 64 minutes. I don't know if you guys can see that from here. We got Intro, Doll in a Dream 3, Can't Get Enough, Lights Please, Interlude, Sideline Story, Mr. Nice Watch, Cold World, In the Morning, Lost Was Nobody's Perfect, Never Told, Rise and Shine, God's Gift, Breakdown, Who's That, Who Dat, Daddy's Little Girl. Classics. Nothing but classics. And then before that, we had Friday Night Lights. Now, what do y'all know about Friday Night Lights? Right here, this is what this is defined as a classic. I wasn't even listening to this album when it first came out. I had to go back for this when I first started fucking with J. Cole. Now, some of my favorites off this mixtape are probably going to be Before I'm Gone, classic. Back to the Topic, classic. And then you got, In the Morning is already on Sideline Story as well. Two-Face, Chef's Kiss. And then I'd say Premeditated Murder is my favorite. After that, Home for the Holidays is cool. Looking for Trouble, great fucking finish to fucking. Oh my god, that was a great finish to a mixtape, bro. That's when J. Cole was really a youngin. As I said before, we were missing Born Sinner, so we're gonna skip straight to 2014 4SO Drives. As we all know, this is when he did it. This is when he established himself as one of the greatest rappers in our generation. This is the album that cemented his legacy. Classic. Fucking classic. Now let me see what happens if I go full white. I wonder if I'm bleached out. Can I see zebra stripes from here? Let's see how bad this is going to look. I don't see zebra stripes, so I'm going to let it slide. It looks like my background's fucking cloudy as shit. Alright. And then after that, we have the depressing banger. For Your Eyes Only, baby. For Your Eyes Only. This right here is my swag. Anybody? Anyway. For Your Eyes Only, the song is really a fucking classic. People just don't like to be as depressed as me, so it's okay. Deja Vu, classic. Immortal, everything on here is a classic to me. Everything, 1 to 10, it's a good little small, it's nothing crazy, but this next one's my favorite album by J. Cole. Can't deny it. K.O.D. This is what you call a flip. But my favorite song off here is Friends. After that, it's probably going to be Window Pane. Once an Addict, Brackets, 1985. Photograph, The Cutoff. I think I already said that. This right here, certified classic as well. And then we have his most recent album, The Off Season. My favorite songs off here, Close, out the gates. Probably Applying Pressure. Pride is the Devil. And that's pretty much it. These albums, classic. This nigga, GOAT. J. Cole is one of the greatest rappers of all time. And you can't say otherwise. Now I got frames for each of these. And all of these are going to be in the back of my wall. And there's going to be LED strips that go around each one of these frames. So I can't wait for that. Shout out to my nigga Warren for that. Back to me toying around with this motherfucking show. All right. So so select the downstream keyer. So we did something, right? We toyed with it a little bit. Didn't do anything too crazy to the stream, but we definitely had some weird effect when we went to Luma. We had to be in camera 2 for that. Alright, so we're going to go back to Luma. Nothing's happening now. How about Chroma? We're going to go back to camera 1. Nothing happened. Back to turn this on. Turn that off. Turn that on. Wait, what's that? The next transition is on air. Cut. I don't really get what it means by the next transition is on air. See, that's the thing about having new shit. Like, you don't really know what to do with it just yet. You don't even know what the potential is because you haven't really experienced it. So here's the still. Here's a black screen. Here's the still again. Here's this intro. Then we would cut here when we're talking about stats or something like that. You would just pull this up on there. I don't think you can add multiple. Like what if I wanted a camera 1 and camera 2 to appear on the screen? I could do that, yeah, cool, but I guess another cool thing about this is that if I had another camera, I would like be using it for reviews. So in this case, if I was reviewing ChatGPT, I could literally do that like this. Anything else cool I can do? All right. Well, we toyed with this a little bit, so see if we can find anything else. Let's actually try to like adjust my camera view. So we're in camera 1. Its position's weird. I just changed the position to 18. It was at 12. Did anything happen? No. Alright. Go back to 12 then. And just control Z that hoe. Or not. Alright. Nothing there. What's this? Yeah, this isn't really doing much to my camera. Alright. Well, oh, wait. We didn't hit DVE. I don't even think that's a button on the fucking switcher. But we have it over here somewhere. I know it. DVE. It's a transition style. Nope, but doesn't do shit for me. Okay. Alright, what if we change this down? I'm not really getting it. Let's do pattern. What's that? Nope, not seeing anything there. Yeah, I am not fully understanding this application. Not gonna deny it. Okay. Probably gonna get out of here now, but yeah, this is a little underwhelming sometimes because it's like you think it has so much potential, you just don't know how to use it yet. All right. Let's see. What else we got? Okay, still getting the hang of it. Now, what are these? So restore clear macros. What are macros? Hmm. Hmm. What the fuck? Man, what the hell did I just do? What the fuck did I don't even know what the hell that is, bruh. Run it. Nigga, is there anything fucking running? I don't even know what it's doing. Alright, anyway. So yeah, this app's definitely gonna have some fucking work. I'd have some work to do with it, but yeah, I don't really understand that. What that the purpose of that? Is it like a marker? Okay, you can delete them. Let's find out what a macro is. And can I use it? I can use it like that. Yeah. Okay. Like I said, I'm using ChatGPT to literally teach me how to use my switcher. This is the nerdiest shit and the most laziest shit I've ever done for a fucking live stream. But fuck it, if you like tech, you might find some beauty in this shit because this could be pretty helpful in the future. I don't know. They're making you try to buy it now, so they want to do that upgrade plus shit. Available when demand is high, so that's kind of like giving you access when nobody else has access. I wonder how you would take advantage of that. Faster response speed. So I guess it generates your answers quicker. And then priority access to new features, meaning like when they're testing shit, you get to be the testers before it goes to everybody, the general public, I guess. I don't know how I feel about it. A macro in the A10 mini switcher is a series of predefined actions and settings that can be executed with a single click or button. Macros will allow you to automate repetitive tasks and quickly switch between different settings, saving you time and reducing potential for errors. The A10 Mini is compatible with macros in the A10 software control. You to allowing you to use macros to simplify and streamline your video production workflow. With macros, you can, for example, switch between multiple video sources, adjust audio levels, perform transitions, and control downstream keys with a single button press. I like that, but I would like my switcher to do more things than what it gave me. Those options that I just listed. To use the A10 Mini, you will need to create the macros in software. This involves defining a series of actions and settings you want the macro to execute, and then saving the macro to A10 Mini. Once the macro is saved, you can activate it by clicking the macro button in the software control by assigning the macros to a physical button or an external button panel, such as the A10's front panel. Overall, macros are useful for features in the A10 software control that can help you work more efficiently and effectively in the mini switcher. Give me an example of a macro. cut to a specific camera source and select a camera source and make it the active video output. Automatically adjust audio levels for the selected camera to a predefined setting, so like a preset. So this thing's basically like presets. It's giving me a presets vibe. So like I have a preset LUT on here that I can take off really quickly. Let me see if I can do it. I don't know how to do it. Kind of forgot. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, here it is. Okay, I guess it's not here. So here's me without the LUT. Here's me without the LUT. Here's me with the LUT. I'm probably gonna keep the LUT off. That shit low-key looked ugly. I ain't gonna lie. I don't even know why I had it on there. But see, notice how I was easily able to like adjust that LUT and take it off. There's apparently an automated way to do that. So let's keep reading. Which I like the sound of, because the easier it is to push these buttons and have more functional things happen for the live stream, the less you guys get to notice me pushing the button, the better, I guess. Turn on downstream keyer. Turn on a specific downstream keyer and adjust its setting to composite graphics source for the selected camera source. So like logos and transitions and like, you know, when sports do those dope ass effects, shit like that. So if you have a team of graphics for your graphics, you could literally just have them send you like 10, 15 graphics, and then you can pull those up throughout the show. Adjust the background video source. Automatically switch the background video source for the downstream keyer to a different video source. Cut back to the previous source. Automatically cut back. So this is more of an advanced thing, it seems like, for my beginner ass. So I'm more than certain if I couldn't get the keyer correct, it's gonna be a bitch to get the fucking macros down. But I'm hoping code is involved in that. Let's see. So it has some functionality. How can you program a macro with VS Code? Fuck it. Write a code using supported program languages such as JavaScript or Python. Here's a basic outline of the steps to create a macro. So install the VS. Yep, we got that. I wish you could hit the fast forward button on the generator. I guess that's something that might be in the paid version. I don't know. I guess this is more of like a reviewing the A10 Mini and Chat GPT. Let's see. Install the VS Code application if you haven't already. Yep. Create a new file. Yep. Select the program. Yep. Write the code. Yep. Using a program language, the code should include the logic and commands for the actions you want the macro to perform. Save the file with a descriptive. Yep. Run the macro. To run the macro, you either press the F5 button or select debug from the menu to start debugging. Once the macro is running, test it to ensure. Okay, maybe I need to reiterate. How can you make a macro for ATEM software control with VS Code? So there's an ATEM switcher API, which is a set of commands that allow you to control and automate the ATEM switcher. The API is available for several programming languages. Okay, so their API with JavaScript or Python. It's basically going to tell me to do the same thing. So can you give me an example of a JavaScript? Can you give me an example of a macro for the ATEM switcher made from JavaScript? Made from JavaScript. What's something that I need? I want to be able to push a button. Damn, see, now that I'm on the spot, I don't know. I want to be able to push a button. I want to be able to, anytime I go to one, I want the transition to apply, which I just did, right? But I want the audio to follow the transition. So if I go to two and then I hit one, I want it to go like swoosh. Let me see. I want it to go like swoosh, 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 based off the speed. So swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. So I guess, how would I ask that question, since made it from JavaScript that plays an audio transition every time I switch to camera one. Can you give me an example of a macro for the A10 Mini made from JavaScript that allows an audio transition, that plays an audio transition every time I switch to camera one? Sure. Here's an example of a macro in JavaScript that plays an audio transition every time you choose camera one. Const ATEM equals require ATEM connection. This is some information I can barely even process. Holy shit. In this example, the library is used to interact with ATEM, the IP address. What the fuck, bitch? Did you just put my IP address on the fucking internet? Hold on, let me make sure that's not my IP address, bro. Because goddamn, that shit could probably get your ass hacked, right? All right. Well, I'll just read it from here. It says, in this example, the ATEM connection library is used to interact with the ATEM mini switcher. The IP address should be replaced with the IP address of your ATEM mini. Okay, so no, it's not my IP address. Thank God. Okay, cool. Back to it. Should be replaced with the IP address of your ATEM mini. The code uses state changed, which is an event to listen for changes to the ATEM mini state. So what does that mean? Here's a change. Here's a change. And here's another change. Here's a change. Here's a change. And here's another change. So here's one change. Here's one change plus another change, making it two changes. So it's listening for a change. So I'm like, would that work every time I only go to camera one? Or would that work every single time I press a different change? So let's look for changes. And specifically checks if the program input property has been set to 1, which is camera 1. All right. If camera 1 is the active video output, the output uses change audio mix transition and change audio mix transition style methods to play an audio transition with a rate of 2 seconds and a mix style of 0. This is just an example, and you can expand on it to create more complex macros to automate your video production workflow with the A10 Mini. How can I use that script right now? Imagine if it was like if you paid the pro fee. Oh my god, I hate installing Node. I already have Node.js, I think. You can download it from the official website. Install the ATEM connection library. ATEM connection library is used in the example macro. To install it, open a terminal on the command prompt and run the following. Okay, fuck it, we can do that, I think. Okay, see, I'm not gonna do that on. I'm not gonna show my console or my terminal on the internet because I think you can see my like information on there. Is there a way I can hide that? I don't want to take the risk. Okay, so first it's telling me to install Node.js. So let me make sure I have that installed. I think I do. How to know if you have Node.js installed. I'm opening up the command prompt and type in node version. I have version 16.15. So yes, I have Node.js in here. All right, cool. That's a good thing. So we don't have to go through those fucking annoying steps of downloading a goddamn what is it called? Just I hate downloading that type of shit. It takes a while because I still don't know how to do it properly. All right, next we're gonna install the connection library to used in the example macro to interact with the A10 Mini. To install it, open a terminal, which is already open, and run the following command. Okay, running the following command, which is npm install A10 connection, which I could be doing this on VS Code too. All right. As it does usually, it takes its sweet time. I wonder if there's a way to like block off what you guys can see. Like, can I? Okay, so I gotta save the directory. I gotta save that JavaScript directory to a file that's easy to locate. And then let me full screen this actually. So since while it installs, I'm literally running something in the terminal right now. So what we're gonna do is create a new file in VS Code. So we can do that here. Stop showing my fucking business, please. Okay, so you're probably gonna see this website that I'm working on. Shout out to ChatGPT for that as well. It's definitely helping me there. You just see my whole background. I forgot I was recording an audition. What the fuck? Thank God for backup audio, brother. And this new OS, I can't wait to talk about this new OS stuff. I already found this application right here. Can't wait to show you how that works. Or I don't even know how it works, but can't wait to see how it works. Okay, so next we're gonna just I wish it was easy to create a file out the gates. See if I can do it from here. Open up the terminal. CD. Can we CD into the desktop? CD into the README, the node modules, package, public, source, to-do app. What's this? Yeah, no, it's not easy. So let me just go back to my Finder, to my terminal. All right. So while I'm in the terminal, I'm going to show me because I don't know if the terminal has information that is helpful to people who could harm my content. Okay. So run npm install g npm. Okay, so I should have just npm at 9.42. To update. All right. Just ran an update, so that's pretty cool. See, now this is one way to install things onto your computer. Other than just hitting the little download button and shit. I think I'm losing power. I was just at 100%. Okay. Wait, apparently there's some errors. Okay. Let's try this again. Maybe if we just copy exactly what they gave me. Nope, another error popped in. Where's the fucking file? Okay, fuck it. I already have it. I don't care. We gotta make we got a CD into our desktop. Okay. Now we're gonna touch atem dot js. It's going to create a JavaScript file on my computer. Where are you? There you are. We're going to open you up over here. Okay. Now we have the atem. We have the atem file created. So now we're going to just simply drag in this JavaScript that it's telling us to drag in. All right. Now install it. We already installed the atem connection, correct? I installed Node.js and then I copied that. All right. So Node. Okay. So run the script. Open on the terminal. Navigate directory to the JSON and run the following command. So open this. So do I do this in the terminal? Okay. Fuck it, I think my terminal should be solid now. Okay, it's not, but whatever. So it's already in, so should I CD into that file? Can I CD into the file? Okay. It's not a directory, so I kinda can't. Okay. The file name is atem. Wait, what did it want me to do? Node file name JS. Node atem dot JS. Like that? Did it just make another fucking file? I think. I'm not too sure. Or did you need it to be like node? I think there would have been an error, right? If I like that, right? If I don't think, yeah, there's no way. All right, so we did that. Nothing happened. Replace the file name with the name of your JS. Okay. Connect to the atem mini. The script will attempt to connect to the atem mini with the IP address specified in the code. Make sure that the atem mini powered on is connected to the same network computer. If everything is set up correctly, the script should run and play an audio transition every time you switch to camera 1 in your atem switcher. Note that this is just a basic example and you can expand to create more complex ones. Okay. Connect to the atem mini. The script will attempt to connect to the atem mini with the IP address specified in that code. Okay, I don't think I did this right, but there. Okay, there's that. Like you can't really add a macro if there's no like functionality to add a file in here, right? Okay. So let me replace this IP address. Okay. How to find IP address on a atem mini. It's a network section. Okay, go to settings. I don't see a network. Hmm. Weird. Yeah, no, I do not see a network section. Hmm. Okay, locate the item to do this settings tab, and then the menu should be displayed in the network section. I couldn't find the network section. Where is the network section? Maybe it's because I can't find it because it's not connected to the Ethernet. 1 second, I can fix that. I think I can fix that. I don't think I can actually because they did usually one of them would be better. All right, we just added some Ethernet to that motherfucker. Let's make sure I'm still live. Okay. So now, I doubt this is gonna work either. Cause like, how would the network pop up? Yep. No network there. Yeah, man. I'm not seeing anything about. Like, I'm not even like. Is it because I'm live? Like, what? It's not giving me the option to do much here. I'm not even sure what the. I'm not even sure what the point of the Ethernet cable is at this point. If I'm real with you. Okay. Well, that was kind of like a waste of time because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it now. Note that the exact location of the network section can be varied depending on the ATM. However, the general steps outlined should show you the current location. Yeah, man, this Ethernet cable isn't really doing much for me. I'm not gonna lie. It's just like connected to my internet and that's it. Did it at least improve the quality of my live stream? Let's see. Yeah, man, this Ethernet cable isn't really doing much for me. It's just like connected to my internet and that's it. Did it at least improve the quality of my live stream? Let's see. Not really. All right, now that we know that, let me pause. Whoops. All right. So now what?
First day, I did $12,000, and that was
Cool. Congratulations, buddy. Okay. Now we know that that was a complete waste of time. Why is this audio? Where the fuck? This thing's pulling in audio still. How the hell is it doing that? That is weird as fuck. It's still. And it's not my MacBook audio. It's. Like. I can't tell where the audio is coming from, whether it's my MacBook or my fucking switcher, but. This looks a little bit different, so yeah, it's saying there's two things on air right now. Oh, because they are. I wonder if this still works. Let's see. OBS, where'd you go? Let's go 1. Okay, we're gonna up the gamma. Absolutely nothing because these aren't black magics. All right, so yeah, no, that's still a big old pump fake for me. All right. Yeah, this application isn't really helping me out too much, if I'm honest with you. Like, what's this MP1 button gonna do? Is that the still? Yep. Here's the bars. Here's camera 1. What's call 1? Color 1. I guess you could do colors. That's cool. Can you change the colors? That's weird. We were on to something with that code, but I think we're gonna get blocked off because of the ATEM, because of the network. If I'm real with you, I don't really know how to find the IP address on this software control thing. It's pretty annoying too, because it's like you're always one little tiny step away. I'm still just on camera 1. Okay, I hope I didn't have fucking 2 cameras on at the same time. Or the same camera on twice. Yeah, no, I'm not seeing a goddamn thing for this. Add a transition to audio when switching. Done. Let's see if that works. Come on. Damn, hurry up, bro. Okay, we're gonna switch back. I didn't hear no audio transition, my boy. Not gonna lie. Maybe you have to like add the audio or something. Hmm. I didn't hear no audio transition, my boy. Not gonna lie. All right, well, we'll come back to that another time. I just wanted to play with like my switching, in all honesty. So you can change these, but like all you could really do is just change the label, like what it's called. You can't actually change the content inside of it. Like, what if I wanted color bars to be a picture of my dad's toes? That's the type of shit that I want to change. I mean, I guess these camera ones and shit like that are important for people who use the software, but I don't use the software enough to need that. I just need to be able to do this. Need to be able to do that every now and then. And then when I do that, all the things happen. Like a graphic is applied, and then transition sound added. Camera control to use. Sure. What's that do? Let's see if that does anything. Shit still looks the same to me. How about for camera 2? I wonder if that does anything. Nope. Still looks the same to me. Alright. So yeah, this app is kinda, I don't know if maybe it's just the lack of equipment that I have, or if it's actually the fact that I just don't know what I'm doing yet. Maybe it's both, but I don't think that this application has what I need. Simply for the fact that I can barely even find how to get the IP address in this motherfucker. And I'm getting tired as hell. It's 11 in the morning, bro. 11 at night. Yeah, I'm not figuring it out. I can't get it. So I'm gonna go back to none here. Can I add in an audio file instead of a picture? So like, let's say I wanted to add in my sound. Desktop 2022 assets. Damn, I don't have WAV files. Weird. Wouldn't it be under assets? Squeezy. There you are. Okay. So I just tried to add a media, an audio file, but it's not letting me. So that's pretty fucking weird. Things that I gotta figure out. That's what this is about. That's all this is right now. Shit that I gotta figure out. Okay. Obviously, you can add your PNGs in there. So if for some reason I wanted a picture of two people, really just boop. Okay, I could take that one out. What if I wanted to go into you instead? You would just see a picture of these little white guys chatting. But what if I wanted to minimize that though? Can I add myself here? Hi guys. I'm in here with the big dogs. So like if I was talking about like a file or something, can you add in video? That's another question that I had. So if I wanted to add in like, I don't know, go here, we'll type in dot mp4. Let's add in this basic research one. Let's see. Let's go back here. Media finder. We'll do basic research to 3. Nope, you can only add in like literal stills. So that's weird. But yeah, this is not the application that I thought it was. Here's a thumbnail. That's pretty cool, I guess. Definitely not the application that I thought it was this whole time though. Like I just don't know how to use it just yet. But there is another application that did just come out. It's this freeform application that Apple created. That's like a flowchart thing. So if you wanted to learn how to turn on the switcher, if you need visuals, you would just choose your terminals. So this is like the start point and the end point. You just grab one of these bad boys, drag it. I'm gonna call this unbox device. Then when you unbox the device, you're gonna want to add in a decision. So is device new? Okay, you're gonna put no. We're gonna put another one. We're gonna copy that one. We're gonna get this one, put it there. So if the device is not new, can I zoom in? Okay. Is the device new? No. If the device isn't new, then you need to probably unpackage all wires, right? I know that's probably random as hell. We're just gonna use a random rectangle for this one. Unpack wires. Is device new? plug in wires because likely they're not really wrapped up. You just gotta know. That's not how that's gonna work. Is the device new? Yes. Unpack wires. Then when you're done unpacking the wires, you're gonna plug them in. Put that there. Copy that. Paste that here. Plug power cord into switcher and outlet. Can I do them both now? Then you're gonna plug USB into PC. Then plug HDMI into camera and switcher. Alright, so you unbox the device, you make sure it's new. When it's new, you're going to unpack the wires, then you're going to plug the power cord into the switcher and the outlet, and then you're going to plug your USB into the PC, and then you're going to plug your HDMI into the camera switcher. After you're done doing that, you are going to, you need software. So along the way, when you plug it in to your PC, you're going to be asked, nope, wait. You're going to be asked alright, is the device new? Nope. Is OBS installed? No. Alright, is OBS installed? Nope. Install it. I'm literally having too much fun with this right now. Install. I guess the thing I like about this app is that it's literally like it comes with the fucking application now, so I could literally just make flowcharts whenever I need to. Flowcharts really aren't that fucking important unless you are like demonstrating some shit that you need programmed or something like that. Yeah, this is pretty cool though, because I feel like you could share them amongst people, and then iCloud's gonna probably take this like big leap into people who own their device, own their products, being able to use them as easily as possible. So I think that's what this is turning into. I look like a fucking geek right now with my little techie shit, but I barely know how to use any of this, so I'm trying to learn it all right now. This was just a live stream for me to see how this switcher setup would work. It's not all that, I'm not gonna lie. You definitely need to integrate some software in there, and you would think that because the software control app is associated with this A10 mini that it would be better for the computer, but honestly, like I can do so much stuff, so much of this in OBS, I wouldn't even need that. The switching is really the reason why I bought it, but also it's a capture device, which makes me mad because the day it became a fucking capture device was the day that Apple decided, hey, let's go ahead and make it. I can't do it because my phone's over there. Yes, I can. Apple decided to finally add this feature in to make everybody's life easier. So let's see if I can do it. Michael's iPhone camera. Okay. Hi. This is my iPhone camera. Literally, like this is my iPhone, right? Like you could see my actual camera right there. That's my actual camera. This is my iPhone. This shit is like I literally could have did this when I was like first getting into like podcasting and streaming and shit. This is a pretty convenient fucking thing to do. So I could literally like switch over here and show you guys my entire setup. Here's my switcher. Here's my interface. Here's my MacBook. Here's my lights. There's my desk set up over there. My calendars. Here's an overview. Can I do the 0.5 camera from here? No. You could really only just do the wide. Here's my mic. Here's a quick tour of my room. So this thing's pretty fucking cool, not gonna lie. I wish there was a way to integrate it with the fucking switcher. Cause like if I could integrate it with my switcher, then I can. Let me see. Yeah, no. Oh wait, what's the live stream seeing? Yeah, this is pretty fucking crazy. Disconnect. But yeah, that was literally my fucking iPhone, and this is pretty crazy technology. Not gonna lie. So to do it, you basically just go to your OBS settings and your device, and since your camera's right there, you just open up your camera app, right? Now watch the magic happen. I'm gonna hit cancel. Go to A10 mini. I'm gonna go to camera 1. Is that gonna work? It's not working for some reason now. Whatever. You just saw me do it, so I don't know how I was able to do that shit so easily. Apple's really changing shit out here, making things easier. One thing I want to kind of bust into is iCloud one of these days. Company wants to use it. I want to see if we could find some cheap systems that could help us manage our content a lot more efficiently. That AirDrop functionality is pretty intense, so that might be something to play with. I guess this was more of like a techie video. Some gratitude to end the show with. I'm pretty grateful that I was able to have a pretty enjoyable birthday and forget about things and like actually enjoy it for once. Just kind of have like not a care in the world. You know, it's always great when you have friends who take the initiative. Cause I didn't really want to do shit, but my boy Warren was like, "Nigga, we doing shit." So it's always good having friends like that in your corner. Grateful for that overall. So grateful that I got to spend the Super Bowl with my brother and his family. Grateful that the Chiefs won the Super Bowl. Patrick Mahomes got 2 of them fucking championships now. A lot of people were saying Jalen Hurts was going to beat us, but a lot of people were saying that we were given that Super Bowl on a silver platter. I'm not mad about those statements because it's kind of true. That flag was a little sus and like kind of an overreaction, I guess is the best way to say it. But yeah, overall grateful for those 3 things. And honestly, I'm grateful for my tech, even though I barely know how to use this shit. These macros, though, I gotta figure that shit out. I could not find the IP address on here, so maybe that's something that I dig in tonight. But yeah, this is basically my current setup. So this was a pretty cool episode for me, even though nobody was able to give a fuck. This was a producer's episode.